In view of Dogelon Mars Coin's 2023 value forecast and current market execution, the typical worth of ELON tokens could be about $0. Furthermore, toward the finish of 2023, Dogelon Mars is expected to have a value scope of generally $0. According to the Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Forecast 2025, it is normal to start the year at around $0. The ELON coin's greatest worth is projected to reach $0, while the base sticker cost might be around $0 the finish of 2025. Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Forecast 2030 undertakings that the Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0, with a greatest exchanging cost of $0. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting resources into Dogelon Mars or not. For that, how about we investigate Dogelon Mars cost expectation for the impending years? Image coins are cryptographic forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars ELON coins are neither focused on innovation nor without basics. Image coins don't serve genuine use and have no functional utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low qualities and high flow. A large portion of the Dogelon Mars is esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small part of a penny. In view of the most recent information, a ton of image coins are available for use. ELON token appeared in WAC 2021. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a cryptographic money with the subject of Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious cryptographic forms of money. However, the prevalence of Dogelon Mars has in the end expanded. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and instrument for Dogelon Mars ELON, so for $1 you can buy a great many ELON tokens. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was filled with syntactic and spelling mistakes, which had in the end become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was floated on the web. Afterward, two programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, made the Dogecoin to jab the seriously other crypto tokens available for use. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane variable of image coins is that they will give exceptionally beneficial returns and make their financial backers tycoons short-term. In a review directed by Kerbako, a cryptographic money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or essentials of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars ELON tokens is that financial backers have a great deal of trust in the symbolic's worth since it has been set at a shallow worth. Subsequently, the vast majority of the crypto holders are deceived by the Dogelon Mars value, that later on it will hit $1 maximum capacity is still left, or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. Dogelon Mars is a similarly new image coin, which is a fork of Dogecoin. Dogecoin portrays itself as an interplanetary money. The name Dogelon came after the capital city of Mars and is articulated as K9 Elon. Dogelon Mars is a general money for individuals. That's what Dogelon Mars guarantees. Not at all like other image tokens, Dogelon Mars will continually be getting to the next level. An animation K9 in a spacesuit concocting his story is a lovely portrayal of Dogelon Mars on its site. Since it is characterized as a fair all-inclusive digital money, there was no presale of tokens. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 coins have been made in the wake of sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH pair. Then, at that point, it is locked for eternity. There is no fixed guide for the coin. Be that as it may, the image coin is extremely renowned, since the coin's importance is that once it battles for endurance against the annihilators and is recorded on major crypto trades, its worth will contact Mars. The coin is exceptionally memorable, with different characteristics in its name. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars cost beat the Dogelon Mars cost forecasts. and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars ELON cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the primary day of the month. Dogelon Mars has given a decent return around then. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars is around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $149,616,732. The flowing inventory is 549,652,770,159,583 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,795,399. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. In light of the Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Forecast 2023 and the ongoing cost activity, the typical cost of ELON tokens may be around $0. Toward the finish of 2023, the greatest and least value levels of Dogelon Mars could stretch around $0 individually. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Forecast 2024 is per Dogelon Mars Cost Expectation 2024. The ELON token could arrive at a typical cost of $0. The base cost of Dogelon Mars could cross $0. Also, in light of ELON cost expectation, the token could raise a ruckus around town worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. In view of Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2025, the coin is expected to begin the year around $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, while the base value level may be around $0 the finish of 2025. Subsequently, according to our ELON cost expectation, Dogelon Mars will be a wise speculation choice for a more extended time frame outline. Dogelon Mars Expectation 2026. The ELON cost forecasts predict starting at $0, and a possible increment is normal for what's to come. Dogelon Mars has a lot of hazard due to its inflationary nature, according to the past information. As per our Dogelon Mars Cost Expectation 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0, while on the potential gain, the most extreme value level could hit $0. Dogelon Mars Gauge 2027. Dogelon Mars forecast predicts a greatest cost of ELON tokens around $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars forecast 2027 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise dramatically. Dogelon Mars Coin Expectation 2028. By the start of 2028, the Dogelon Mars estimate guesses that the cost of Dogelon Mars will reach $0. The base and greatest costs could cross $0 separately. Dogelon Mars Estimate 2029. Of every 2029, Dogelon Mars value expectations are supposed to cross the $0 cost level. As per the Dogelon Mars Gauge, the base and most extreme value levels may be around $0 the finish of 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. Dogelon Mars Coin Cost Expectation 2030 activities that the Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. Further, the normal cost will be around $0, with the greatest exchanging cost of Dogelon Mars coming to $0. The drawn-out ELON cost expectation looks encouraging for 2030. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? In light of the value expectations of Dogelon Mars, future costs are bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture. The development of ELON exclusively relies upon the state of the overall